Hello everyone, I am in a back seat of my 1992 Range Rover Classic. Around 1.5 months ago I had a thought that I should repaint the bumpers, the front bumper and the rear bumper, because they are quite rusty, and I decided not to go with the new ones, but I decided to remove the old ones to get them sandblasted and also powder coated. Not just a simple paint, but a powder coat, because I think that it will last longer. So this is exactly what I did. In this video I will show you how the old and rusty bumpers turned into something shine and really beautiful. So I removed the rear bumper. You can see how rusty it is. It will be much better after I get it sandblasted and repainted with powder coated. Also removed the tow hook assembly, but not all of it. Not all of it, basically because the nut there is stripped and I cannot undo it. But in general, the rear of the car looks quite nice. The cross member is in really good shape, and those people who know the first generation Range Rovers, they know that this is the part that rusts out completely in these models. The muffler actually is in quite good shape. It's just that this tip has some surface rust. So now I need to remove the front bumper, and we'll see if I'm successful. So now the bumpers are sandblasted and powder coated. I received them and now I will unpack them and you will be able to see how beautiful they are. just look at the just look at the front one. So nice. So nice. Spotless. Perfect. This Range Rover is quite long and it's not really very easy to see what's happening behind you when you are parking this SUV, so I have a spare set of the parking sensors and I will try to install them. And so this is how the Range Rover looks with the renewed bumpers. Despite being powder coated, they have a gloss effect and they look really nice and shiny. I'm really happy with the result. The overall costs for sandblasting and powder coating were 80 euros, around 100 United States dollars for both bumpers. So I'm really happy with the result. And so that is everything for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you found something useful here in this video. If you did, give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Well, it's not bad, but